go till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number.
हेलो ट्रेडर्स, तो आप सब कैसे हैं? चलिए तो पहले हम सबको लिंक शेयर कर देते हैं कि लाइव ऑन हो चुका है और सब आ जाए। पहले करते हैं सबको, लाइव इज गोइंग ऑन गाइस। हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो। So hello traders, this is trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. काफी टाइम के बाद हम लोग लाइव कर रहे हैं, तो चलते हैं। हाँ, आई एम फाइन वसीम भाई। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ gold and how can gold go in next week. Let's start it 1 week, and okay, so our 1 week candle have closed like this, and you guys know this is our long opportunity setup in where price close back, again close up, and on the retest we go for long for targeting this high. This is our typical long setup we use for a 4-hour structure. Now let's see in 1 day time frame. In 1 day what we have structure is still bullish. This was the last low and price just grab a liquidity going from upside, and again now let's it going for the downside after clearing this liquidity. Liquidity is not that much clear because it have just tapped it, and you can see these guys, this is just a small hunt and price is going downside. Now we have this bullish structure till now, and let's see in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour, after sweeping this liquidity, price is still ranging above this trend line. This trend line is running from here and price is holding this trend line. This is a supply area. Until the supply area gets flipped and we have a 2 candle close above this 2930 price can again drop and target will be this low. because structure is still bearish in 4 hour time frame. It's strong bearish because you can see this is a change of character, and after that we have a break of structure. And our main to setup I have already shared that on the sweep of this order flow rearrangement you can go on a short for the target of this recent low, and I'm watching for the test of this recent high in weekly time frame. This will be my long opportunity area from where I will watch for a long, and target will be this. So currently gold is still in a range mode. We can see more ranging at this zone here like this. Again upside and downside like this. If this area gets break, this trend line get break, we will go for a short opportunity targeting this low. And if this area gets clear and we have a 2 candle closing above this high, then on a retracement we will go for long for the target of next ATH, which will be near about 3000 and 3035. So this will be the path in case gold break above, and we have this daily time frame zone at this level too. Let me just show you. If we draw a channel in daily time frame for targeting this equal highs from this bottom equal highs to this level, if I draw a trend line and this channel, then you can see this price is bouncing from the midline and trying to go above. If price hit this trend line at this point, then our daily time frame target will be also hit, which is around 3035, and from where we can expect a downside momentum again. If price break above this 4 hour zone, then we will target for this upper trend line. Until then we will watch for a short opportunity for this weekly support area. So this is the plan, guys. I will be watching for the flip of this 4 hour zone. If this breaks above, then I will go for this path, and if this breaks above below this trend line, then my path will be this. Then I will watch for a small bounce, again drop, and again pump like this. This will be the path in case we hit this bottom trend line first. So this is my current expectation from gold, because we don't have any clarification here. Gold is still in ranging mode. This is a pure range. We don't have any breakout or breakdown below this range. Below this trend line it will be bearish, and below above this red zone gold will be bullish. So we are watching for gold for a clear direction here. Now that's it for guys. You can ask your questions and I will let you guys open the comment section and see what is happening. Okay, so I am on comment section and you can ask me your questions. Wasim bhai, love from Pakistan. Love you bro. Supply and demand लाजमी बताइए प्लीज. बिलाल भाई, सप्लाई और डिमांड वो तो काफी बड़ा टॉपिक है. अगर मैं आपको अगर शॉर्ट में समझाऊं तो मुझे थोड़ा इंग्लिश में ही समझाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि काफी सारे अलग बहुत सारे कंट्रीज के हमारे जो प्रेक्षक है वो भी हैं, तो ठीक है. Supply and demand works on the phenomena like many time of rejections. If we can say this is a supply, because we have first of the big move from there, and we have the second big move from the same zone. This is a supply from where market makers want to sell their positions. This is called a supply. The same thing is for demand. Market maker want to buy from this position. First big move from here, and the second also big move from here. The third time you can see this demand doesn't hold and market just break. The same thing, the demand is from here. First big move was there, and the second big move also happens from there after taking liquidity. So this is a demand. From where big move happens, you just mark that price out and this area out from where the big move happens, and we can expect again the same time of reaction from this area. See, this is a supply area. The first rejection was this and the second rejection is this. Okay. Two candle closing in which time frame, sir? Mark bro, we are watching a 4-hour time frame area. So we will watch for the 4-hour candle closing because we need a structure change in 4 hours. So we need two candle closing above the previous high in 4-hour breakout structure level. This is our 4-hour structural level. So we need two candle closing above this high in 4-hour time frame for a valid change of character. How can we find this already? Gold is bullish. Yes, gold is bullish till now. There is no weakness right now in the gold. If we talk about in 1-hour time frame, still we can see this. This was a change of market structure. Again, this is a breakout structure, and you can see this again the breakout structure, and this is a retracement zone. After this retracement, we don't have any 1-hour candle closing above it. If we have a 1-hour candle closing above it, so 1-hour structure will be again bullish. This is just a retracement. On the retracement, you can expect price to tap first this zone, which we already have, and the second zone is this bottom area, which is here. From this area can also act as a support if market taps there. So 1-hour structure is still bullish, no doubt. Gold is still bullish in 1-hour structure, but we have a 4-hour supply area resting here, so we are just being cautious here. Okay. Hindi plus English. Yes, it's already there. Okay. Bro, you explain market so easy. Love from explanation. Thank you, bro. And brother, one more thing I wanted to ask you to find confirmation of support and resistance. Okay, so if you want to confirm any support or resistance in any time frame, just watch for a 4 candle closing. For support and resistance, you need 4 candle closing like this. This was our resistance here, but after the breakout, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candle closed above this 1-hour time frame. So this is a nice support area to hold for gold now for going upside. The same thing will be for the resistance area. If we see, this was our support zone, but we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 candle closed below it. So it's a valid resistance here, and on the test of it, you can again short and you can see the momentum. For support and resistance confirmation, you need 4 candle closing. For change of character, you need only 2 candle closing, and for breakout structure, you need only 1 candle closing above the previous high. Okay, so is it clear? This is support and resistance confirmation, and this is a change of character confirmation. Okay, when you get your AOI, do you then sweep a lower time frame and every entry watching for structure? Yes, I switch to lower time frame for entry because you can't enter here after the staking of this high. You can see this. If I talk about my entry here on this sweep, I just go on 1 minute time frame. Let me just show you how this sweep works. Once a sweep happens, you can see this. This was a 1 minute time frame breakout structure on upside. Then we have this change of character. We have two candle closing below it. Then on the change of character, this will be the first zone for entry. On the first zone, you can enter in short position with having SL just above it, and your target will be the recent created low which we were talking about yesterday, and this was our target, and you can see the price hitting the target at the same point. So you can take entry like this. If we have a sweep and structure change in 1 minute, then you can enter in short with a confirmation here, and this will be the outcome. You always have to wait for the smaller time frame structure to change for entry confirmation. Do you have any learning group or any channel where can I find a brief lecture? I run a mentorship channel, and it's paid group, and you can register yourself. I have already shared my registration link on the free channel. You can go and join there. What do you think 2876 or 2940 then 2790? It can happen. I already have told you guys that I am watching for the 4 hour structure to get changed. If this 4 hour structure get changed, then I can go for the long position. Then my target will be 3000 to 3030, and after this area gets stable here, I will watch for the short opportunity. Always look forward for your daily time frame and daily videos, short and simple and good. You are intraday trading or scalping using 1 minute. I use in 1 minute time frame for scalp. It usually lasts for 15 or half an hour trade. Perfect analysis. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Do you still do signal services? No, I don't do signal services right now because I don't need it. I just don't want to make people slaves. But they just do depends on us for the signals and everything. I just want to get a army of the people who can trade by themselves, and they can make their living by their own. I don't want to make them my slaves. And okay, then any questions? You can ask me any question. I can explain you anything here. Please share the link again. I can't find it. The link is in the description of the channel. You can see that link over there too. From how much years you are trading, sir? I am trading for 5 years. I have 5 years of experience. Previously, I was trading in crypto. Then I find gold, and I find that gold is pretty much easier than crypto because I have seen 1000% in crypto too. So this is the 1 and 2% momentum. I just feel like child's play here. Yeah, can we see a structure in 1 hour? From how much? Yes, you can structure in 1 hour. We already have discussed the 1 hour structure. It's bullish, and still now we don't have any bearish confirmation in 1 hour structure. And you can still go on long side from this zone again if price tap there. How do you find an order block? Okay, this is a very big topic. Let me just show you. Some people just misunderstood order block with the supply and demand. But for supply and demand, you don't need any kind of FVG there. But for order block, you need FVG to confirm an order block. Here, this is a order block because we have FVG over there and orders are pending there. How an order block forms? Order blocks from the big orders from where market have rapidly changed its directions. You can see this. After this momentum, market have rapidly changed its direction towards upside and created this FVG. So this is a valid order block in 4 hour time frame. The same thing for supply and demand, you don't need any order FVGs. This is our supply zone. You don't need any FVG for confirmation of it. But this is our order block. You can see this because market have made a FVG here. So this is a order block. On the test of order block, market just bounce. See. So remember one thing, for the confirmation of order block, you always need a FVG to validate it, and for supply and demand, you don't need any FVG. You just need a move from that zone. Okay, so is it clear? Order block. Okay, let me just go through comments again. How you find order block is done. How you target your profit zone in 1 minute time frame. In 1 minute time frame, my profit zone usually based on the 15-minute structure, which is here. If I am entering here on the sweep, then the nearest target will be the nearest structural level, which is here. This was my target yesterday and I have already shared it on my free channel. Thus, I'm expecting a reversal from the sweep of here and again the test of this zone. Why do you think it will go to 2790 before 3K? I am seeing a bullish next week. Yes, we can see a bullish next week. I have already shared the possibility of bullishness. On this breakout above this red zone, I am also bullish for the target of this 3000 to 3035 zone. And from there, you can again expect a downside momentum. But we are here at the 4 hour supply area. If this supply area push go downside and we have a change of character in 1 hour time frame, then we can expect price to drop. How do you identify a fake out or avoid getting tapped? Fake out is a thing you usually need to watch carefully. Here you can see this. We have one tap, two tap, and they are possibly nearest at the same price. If I talk about in 1 hour, you can see it in clearly. Why I targeted this zone, I will explain it. We have this equal high, and if anyone want to short here, they will just put their stop loss just above this high. So at this high, there is a high possibility if candle doesn't close above it, then price will target the nearest liquidity first, and it was here. So I have already told you guys that on the sweep of 2930 we can expect a downside momentum here. And for avoiding a fake out, I have already told you, for the change of character I need 2 candle closing, for the support and resistance confirmation I need 4 candle closing, and for the break of structure I need 1 candle closing above the previous high. That will be my confirmation, and that's how I avoid fake outs. Amazing, brother. So, do you swing trade? I learned a lot from you. And top down analysis better safe to enter from a support and demand zone. Thanks a lot. You are welcome, sir. Please save this video in your channel. It's already it will be shared as a weekly analysis, guys. I have question concern ascending triangle. If we see this week and this work very well, how we can know that there is a confirmation in 5 and 15 minutes, just one of them. We will learn it, guys. If we have a 1 hour candle closing above it, then this wall frame will be act as a support. This will be act as support if we have a 1 hour candle closing above this high. Then structure will be again bullish. You can see this, the bottom thrust is for a bullish structure. We have just being cautious because we have 4 hour supply area. There is nothing here bearish, guys. Only 4 hour time frame is bearish and other all time frame are bullish. I'm repeating it, other all time frame are bullish. You can see this. This is 1 hour time frame. Just 4 hour time frame is bearish, as our 1 day time frame is also bullish because we don't have any 2 candle closing below the previous low, which does not confirm any change of character. We have only 1 candle closing above it and second candle just closed back above it. So structure is still bullish in 1 day time frame. 4 hour time frame we have a supply area tapped, so price is struggling to clear it. Nothing there. 1 hour time frame is still bullish. Our 15-minute time frame is still bullish. You can see this. We just have sweep, but we have this break of structure here. So until this low gets break, price is bullish in 15-minute time frame too. So what to trade? Order block, support and resistance, or resistance becomes support, or support become resistance. You can trade any method you want because everything works perfectly on gold. You can see this is a structural levels, it's is working perfect. This is our support and resistance level, it's also working perfect. And this is our supply and demand area, which is also working perfect in gold. You just need to find which method suits you and you can enter in any trade on basis of that. So on the test of order block, can we short or long? Yes, you can short or long. If your order block is valid, then you can definitely take an entry on that. There is no question on that. Yes, bro. Great analysis. Always I appreciate. How we use fib? Do we use the lower candle to the highest candle wick? Yes. If I want to use fib here, I will just put start from this low to this high. So on the break of this, I want to test it near about 618 area is already tapped and market going to upside again. You can see this is how you use it. Do you use any indicator or highlights for your area of interest? No, I don't use any indicator. I just use price action. What is draw on a liquidity, sir? I don't use that. I'm just using my structural levels and the liquidity areas. That's all I use for my analysis, and I don't need anything else to add on my analysis type and anything so I can use the market. Just price action is perfect for how you can understand the market. Just watch these candles and you can expect what to happen on that level. Okay, so let's go on fundamental things. We will go for a data here. This is a COT report and this is a gold commodity exchange report. And here we can see this banks have closed their long position and added a position on short, so we can expect price to follow this complete analysis according to it, and we can expect more downside. So I'm being cautious in gold for more longs because I can see these banks have closed their long on the specific area, and this is the recent analysis, guys. So I'm being very cautious because banks are adding up their shorts position, and according to my analysis too, there is a 4 hour structural area. So if this area doesn't get break, then I will definitely go for a short opportunity. Okay, so where are you from? I'm from India, bro. Yes, I'm from India. Price action and market structure is king. All you need. Yes, price action is the base of technical analysis because we just read candles, and how can you be wrong on that? Because candles are the basic thing in market. So any questions again? Which part, bro? I'm a Gujarati. I'm Gujarati, bro. And I cannot. How do you get an entry on 1 minute time frame? I already have shown you guys. I just wait for the structure change in 1 minute time frame for entry. COT data is good to use for the wall week as a reference. You can't just trade on that. You can just get anything an outcome like that. If I talk about a COT data, that COT data will give you an overall market sentiments which is running in the market. Now, he is the bestest trader in India. No, I am not. There are many traders who are better than me. Kind explain the difference between long and short on COT, which is buy and sell. Okay, so on the COT, let me just show you the previous month. On the 4th of February, we can see this market makers were adding the long and the short position, both were added, and our structure was where is our 4th February. You can see this here. I will need it. Okay. So this is our 4th February, and you can see this market makers have added short and long here, and market is going upside. So their long position are in profit, And after that, on the 11th February, market makers just cut it the long and the shorts were added more. So on the 11th February, here longs were cut and the shorts were added. You can see the reaction there. See, and after that, on the 18th of the February, okay, just having a technical issue. Network issue, guys. I don't think. Okay, let's just see on the 18th of the February what happened. After the 18th of the February, from the data, I can assure you guys they have the cut at their long and the short positions were added. Here on the every Thursday they release a data. So if I go about here in next Thursday, I bet they will have already. I have shared this data in the free channel, but they have cut their long and short both position here. And now we have a short position adding up over here. So we can expect a literally downside from here as on the sweep of this high. I will watch for it because I can see the data and this is not loading, guys. I think this is a anything problem there. Okay, so you guys just compare the data with the current chart in daily time frame and you will see a many resemblance in this data and the price action and you can use it. This is good data. Okay, so how do you trade forex in India? I trade forex in XNS and XNS is legal in India. What is your update on BTC? Today you are getting any setups? Don't trade crypto during weekend because CME is closed and you can have a gap up or gap down on Monday. If I talk about BTC, you can clearly see this is just a range. After the breaking of this support here, BTC have clearly gone on ranging mode. Python trading is banned in India. Everything is banned in India, brother. Everything is banned in India. So gold first up, then down. Is it? Is just a possibility. We will follow our technical analysis. Here on BTC, we have last break of structure here, and we have a change of character at this level. So our first rejection block was this, a 2 candle order block. We have FVG to validate it, and if I take a smaller order block here, then this is, you can see this perfect test and the downside momentum. This is a bearish order block currently pushing BTC to the downside. Here we have a upper trend line which is also pushing BTC to downside. So until this area gets break, we can expect BTC to go down and test at this zone here, the previous high around 73k to this bottom area. This will be my first area of interest in BTC for a buy position, 66 to 73k. Then I will expect BTC to create a new high from this area. So what is the difference between change of character and break of structure? Break of structure is this a continuous market, and the change of character will happen on the reversal areas. This market was an uptrend. This was a change of character. You can see this. We have two candle closing below the previous low. Then market just go upside and we have another. No, we don't have. We don't have any candle closing below this low. So this is not a valid break of structure because we need a candle closing below it. And we have the two candle closing above this area. So this is a valid change of character again on the upside, and market test first zone as a support and again upside, then again retracement and one candle closing above the previous high, and this is again a break of structure. You can go on long, again the break of structure, one candle closing. Change of character will happen on the reversal side and break of structure will happen on the continuation of the trend. Are you waiting for the confirmation or you are just using zone on the first reaction, and what indicators are you using? I don't use any indicators. I use just price action and I just wait for my structural levels and the smaller time frame confirmation from there. I don't use any limit order, but we have a confirmation levels like this order blocks and everything, then I will go for a limit order. Break of structure and change of character seems to be the same. Is change of character the first break of the structure? Yes. Change of character will happen at the reversal point, and you can see this. This was the last break of structure on the downside, and the first break of structure on the upside. This is our change of character. What is change of character? Market's character was on downside, but we have seen that market have changed its character to the upside from this level. So this is our change of character, and you can see the first step at this zone, and again then you can see the reaction again this high breaks, then this is our break of structure. You still have eyes on Jasmine or not? I don't see a crypto now. I just use it as a holding and just hold and leave it. Dear Muru, why don't you give us daily 1 to 2 dates and free channels, proper entry and exit levels? Also, it would be grateful if we be a live session on daily basis. Bro, I just want to trade on isolation. I don't want to be on any kind of trouble or anything because people don't understand how entry works and they will just bark at it. I have already shared my 1 or 2 trades in free channel and it have worked very nicely. If I see any confirmation trade, I already shared it on my free channel. I don't want to just feed you guys. You just need to learn it by yourself how to trade. So we need at least 2 candle closing above or below for the break of structure or a choke. You need 2 candle closing for change of character, 1 candle closing for break of structure, and 4 candle for any confirmation of support and resistance. Guys, do you like it? It's free? Yes guys, please do like this video. I am doing this all thing for you. We have seen a weekly outcome of gold and how it can go. So give it a view. So any other question, or I will just end this session over here. So I think everything is good, and we will like to end the session over here. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep trading, keep renting. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining.